is a sculpture? A sculpture is a three-dimensional artwork. What's three-dimensional? Three-dimensional is when things have sides or pop out. For instance, this is a sculpture. And it has different sides, and it looks different depending on which side you're looking at. Another way that we can say three-dimensional is 3D. 3D. That's a slang for three-dimensional. That means it has height, width, and depth. So you could walk around it. We're three-dimensional. Something that's two-dimensional is something that's flat, like a painting or a drawing. Here's a painting. It's flat. You can really only see it if you look at it from straight on, because if you look at the back, no artwork there, just what we hold it with, the hook. You can make sculptures out of almost anything. And there's one special thing that lots of kids like to make sculptures out of. Let's find out what that is.
I'm making a little snowman. First, you form some snow into balls, and then you stack them on top of each other. And then you take little sticks and put them in the side of the snowman.
Are you going to make eyes, or is it minimalist?
Oh, I think it's a minimalist statue, but I will give it a little hat.
Oh.
That was very sad, but you know, sometimes that happens in art.
That's true. Are you going to redo it or do it later?
I'll just have to work with what happened.
Okay, let's see what how you're gonna fix this. There's always obstacles.
Let me just think about this.
What will happen?
Sometimes you're not going to find the right material, then you have to look again. Ta-da.
Is this a sculpture? Pause the video to discuss.
It's a good shape.
I'm gonna try to make a face on this tree. Let's see if it works.
You think it'll stick?
That's the nose.
Want to head on with me? Well, I'm definitely going to walk home too, but I'm just going to wait.
I mean, we were gonna walk home.
All right, can you send me like a picture?
Barn Wolf, come find you.
Ooh, that one got smashed. It was a little too small.
That's the second exit.
That's okay.
I mean, I'm sure going full right.
It's not the second one, it's the third.
All right.
Turn left at the third
I
one.
wish I
and
had
then-
circles
and then keep
for
on
the
going down
eyes.
Until you recognize it. I'm sure. Go slowly.
I'm gonna look.
You guys film.
I'm making.
Here's another sculpture. Come look at this. It's a hanging sculpture. Maybe it's like a mobile.
It was. All right, now can I magic nail it off?
I like to attach snow with.
Give me a
I
break.
like to attach a stick with snow. Oh, broke.
Doesn't match.
Probably.
Does that look like eyes more? Now that has contrast, has a pupil.
Looks like yeah, it could be eyes. Oh yeah, it does look like eyes.
Like closed
Like
eyes?
they're like sleepy, like the tree's
sleepy eyes. It's,
Oh, sleeping tree.
maybe I should make a
I
smile.
like this one. Now can I magic man it off?
You gotta give me a break.
You made it lock.
What is this sculpture made of? Pause the video to discuss.
Is it a fox?
Something.
Is it a possum? We make eyes.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Wait, but why are there ears and horns?
Because that's how it is.
That doesn't make it.
Maybe those are the eyes, Asher. Have you thought about that?
Maybe the thing pointing down low is the nose. Maybe it's a dragon.
How did the artist make this sculpture? Pause the video to discuss. As we saw, snow is a great material to make sculptures out of, but there's lots of other materials you can make sculptures out of. Let's think of some right now. Sand, Play-Doh, cardboard, clay. There's lots of fun things to make sculptures out of. So I hope that you look around and find something that you can make a sculpture out of today. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell and that thumbs up.